Hi, I'm Beth from the Vaddio team. I'm here to introduce you to the all-new Vaddio device controller. Enhance your presentations and meetings by adding simple touch control to any space. Included with each Vaddio device controller is a commercial-grade steel desktop mount with category cable routing. Speaking of cables, the Vaddio device controller only needs one. Simply connect a single category cable to provide power and network connection. Once connected to the network, simply tap the scan button and the Vaddio device controller will auto-discover your Vaddio devices. Easy. We took our popular online user interface and built it into this 10-inch vibrant color touch panel. Let me show you a few of my favorite ways to use the Vaddio device controller. Provide a fresh angle by selecting PTZ camera presets. Adjust the volume during video conferencing calls. Turn on your AV Bridge 2x1's picture-in-picture to show your presentation and your video, or switch active cameras connected to your Easy IP mixer. Although it's designed for an end user to control, AV managers can still access connected Vaddio devices' full web interfaces through the admin section of the controller. Vaddio device controller is easy to install and easy to use. Add this controller to a conference room, a lecture hall, anywhere you want to provide simple control right at your fingertips. If you'd like to learn more about the Vaddio device controller, visit us at legrandav.com/Vaddio.